Hello and welcome to Theme and Code. This is the first part of the detailed documentation of WP File Access Manager. This plugin will help you to restrict the access to your WordPress files for unauthorized visitors. So where to get this? You will find this plugin on CodeCanon. This plugin is created by Theme and Code, which is an elite author at CodeCanon. To buy this, just click on Add to Cart and then go to Checkout. You need to fill your information, and then if you have an account you can buy this directly, or you need to create an account if you're new here. Complete the process and then go to your WordPress website to upload this plugin. I already have this plugin, that's why I'm not downloading it now. And there is a detailed documentation page for WP File Access Manager that is prepared on Theme and Code. This is the link. I'll put the link in the description as well. So if you need any kind of information, just come here and read the documentation. Every little detail is noted in this documentation. Thanks to all.